The future is unfolding, quite literally. This is the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6, the slimmest, lightest, and most powerful foldable ever made. Samsung's upgraded hinge is now nearly creaseless. The 6.3-inch outer display feels like a real smartphone, not just a secondary screen anymore. Unfold the magic, and you're greeted with a 7.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display. It's brighter, smoother, and perfect for multitasking. With One UI 7, Samsung has taken productivity to new heights. Drag and drop, resizable windows, and app continuity make this feel like a mini laptop. Triple cameras with a 200 megapixel primary sensor, ultra-wide, and 5x telephoto. Fold 6 is no longer behind in camera game. Night mode? Stunning. Powered by Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, this beast breezes through anything. Gaming, editing, multitasking, all without breaking a sweat. With 4400 mAh battery, 25W fast charging, and S Pen fold support, it's built to last and work hard. And yes, it's more durable with Gorilla Glass armor. Compared to last year's Fold 5 and even the iPhone 16 Pro Max, the Fold 6 holds its ground with innovation, screen real estate, and raw performance. Still watching this video? Then please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel Mobiles Talk. Starting at $17.99, the Fold 6 is not for everyone. But if you want the future in your pocket, this is it. Would you switch to a foldable in 2025? Let me know in the comments. Smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell. You're watching Mobiles Talk. Stay tech savvy.